Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a jumping game with Scratch. So firstly, you should pick a character. There are so many characters, you can pick whatever you want. You should also pick a background, like blue sky for example. And now to make your character move, you're gonna go to the block, change Y by X. And if you make it repeat that 10 times, it will go up so high, so we put it in the repeat loop. But I also want my character to come back down, so we're gonna go to the block, change Y by 10. But this time, we're gonna make it -10. We're gonna also put it in the repeat loop, connect them together, and yeah, now we can jump. It will be so much funnier if we make the jump by pressing the space key. So yeah, we put this block right here at the top, and now we can make a jump with a space key. We can also add a sound for the jump, just like this. And yeah. Now we're gonna move to the obstacles. You can pick whatever you want as an obstacle. I'm just gonna pick an egg, and you should make it smaller so that the chick can jump over it. Now I want my egg or my obstacle to start at this side of the screen and glide over to this side of the screen. So I'm just gonna drag the egg right here and go to the block, go to XY. And then I'm just gonna drag it to the other side and go to the block, glide to XY. Now we're gonna change the timing to 3 seconds because 1 second it's so fast. And yeah, now the egg is gliding. But it's gliding only once and I want more eggs to come, so we're gonna go to the loop forever. We're gonna put them in the loop forever. And yeah, now there are so many eggs coming. We're gonna make a start by pressing the green flag, just like this. So when we press the green flag, everything starts. Now I want the egg or the obstacle to stop whenever it touches the chick. So we're gonna go to the block, stop all. And we can also make the egg wait until it's touching the chick, just like this. And now we're gonna make it start by pressing the green flag. And yeah, now it's working and it's stopping whenever it touches the chick. To make the game even funnier, we're gonna add more obstacles. So we're just gonna click on the white egg on delegate, and here is the second egg that has the same exact code as the first egg. But when we make everything work, we see only one egg because they have the same exact code and they move exactly the same. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna make the second egg wait 1 second before going. But there is still a problem. We're still seeing the second egg on the stage while waiting. So we're gonna go to looks and we're gonna make it hide before the project starts and show after waiting. So yeah, now it's working and it's pretty cool. And that's it for today's video. I wish you liked it and I wish it will help you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.